everybody, Cheryl and Lady coming to you from the Ladies Garden and Home, and this evening we have a freeze advisory posted from the weather people, and so I am going to try to save some of my tomato plants. Probably not all of them because most of them are on their way out anyway, but I do have some really big unripened tomatoes that I would like to see if I can get a couple more, I don't know, a week or two at least out of them to see if they ripen up. So I hope you join us. So I just wrapped that one. All I did was wrap around the frost cloth, and this is the frost cloth that I had actually as bug protection over my broccoli plants a little earlier this fall. I keep banging into this spaghetti squash every time. As you can see, this one has a good couple of tomatoes on it, so I really don't want it to go by way of the cold weather yet. Got my tomato clips. Okay. I'm just going to close it like this. And then I'm going to secure it at the bottom with this garden pin. I think that should be good. So here are the cherry tomatoes. I definitely want to save these. There's so many unripened tomatoes still on here. I am going to pick the ones that are ripe or at least are at least blushing up, and then the rest I'm going to put the floating row cover on. Now this is what I have been using. It's from Ag Fabric, and I'll put a link to this at the bottom. I'm not sure where I got it, but I'll look it up for you. But it's actually a really big piece of fabric. And it just unrolls like this. Now, because this is up against the fence, I'm not going to be able to wrap them like I did that other plant. Now, so I'm just going to throw it over, attach it to the fence, and see if that works. I got a little zucchini too. I'm going to take this in. I think I'm going to cut the tall top pieces off. Today really feels like a fall day. There is definitely a crispness in the air that we haven't had around for a while. In fact, over the weekend and into yesterday, it was in the mid-70s. It was beautiful. But the inevitable happens, right? These tomato plants here, which are the San Marzanos, the only ones left are already blushing up, so I'm just going to pick those. And over here, these tomatoes, which were the striped sauce tomatoes or paste tomatoes, there's a lot of them. They're still quite green. If I can get some time on the vine for them, it would really be best. But let's see how much frost cloth I have left, because I really want to do the peppers. All right, here are all the peppers. As you can see, I do have quite a bit of full ones that I could just harvest, but over here they are quite small. So I'd really, really like for them to be able to grow on a little bit. I know, you're probably saying, Cheryl, it's November. Give it up. But, you know, if I could get a couple more weeks of ripening, that would be awesome. This one's going to be trickier because they're above. They're little tomato peaches. I hope the camera is picking things up okay, because it is literally getting dark. I forgot how quickly it's going to get dark now. Well, we've got a lovely sunset, and tonight is the blood beaver moon, a nice full moon where it turns orange in the sky. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day, and I wanted to show you how everything fared. We obviously didn't actually get a frost, although I don't regret coming out here and preparing in case I did. And as you can see here, the tomatoes that I didn't cover, they're just fine. So hopefully we've got a little bit of time left to eke out the summer crops before they're really done for the year. Well, the light's really going, so I'd like to sign off. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope this shows you that you can at least attempt to protect your tender plants from frost. I appreciate you joining us tonight. If you enjoyed this, please give it a like, and I hope you subscribe. That would be great. And from the Ladies Garden Home, enjoy your gardening journey. Bye. Say goodnight, lady.